Welcome back to Python tutorial. In this lesson, let us discuss about comments and documents interlude in Python. Comments. In computer programming, comments are hints that we use to make our code more understandable. Comments are completely ignored by the interpreter. They are meant by fellow programmer. For example, here is the example for this by using hash declare before the comment declare initiation to variables. Number one, you have initiated number one is equal to 6, number two is equal to 6. Another uh, comment line we have given here is print the output. We use hash symbol and we have used comment is called print this output. Let us run these lines of code. While running this code, this comment line has no effect on the code. Here we have used the following comments: declare the initialization to variables, print the output. Type of comments in the Python. In Python, there are two types of comments: single line comment, multi-line comment. Single line comment Python. A single line comment ends with same line. Use hash symbol in the Python to write a single line comment. For example, here is the example: hash create a variable name is equal Eric at one. Print the value, print name. Let us run this and support. Yeah, this create variable is no effect on this code, and this print the value is not no effect on the code. It is only print the argument it is name. Here is also an example. You can also use the single line comment. Use the comment name is equal to direct name. Name is a string. Here is the comment we can give also like this manner. Here is the code execute the interrupt multi-line comment. Python does not offer a separate way to write multiple line comments. However, there are other ways to around this use. You can use the at the beginning of the each line hash at the beginning of the each line a comment of lines. For example, here is the hash. This is a long comment and it is a extended hash to multiple lines. This doesn't affect this comment lines doesn't affect the code. Here each line is treated as a single comment and of them are ignored. Another way to doing this is by triple quotes. These triple quotes are generally a multi-line strings, but if you do not assign any variable of the function or we can use a comment, the interpreter ignores the strings that is assigned to any variable or function. Let us see the example here. Yeah, this comment doesn't affect these lines of code. Interlude comments tasks. Tasks like matching the phone numbers, IP address, dates are common that we can use. Find them, collect the library. The chapter shows some examples of readable documents, also collection documents Python. Tokenizer, see also the reject collections. You can either install the common regex a module, go through the common regex.py and choose the regular expressions you need. There are several ways to use the pattern. See the common regex, use the details. This is the way common regex. From common regex import IP. Likewise, you can use date, data, all the things. That's all about comments and documents interlude in Python. Thank you.